Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be installing this Smartdevil quick installation screen protector onto my iPhone 16 Pro Max here. And I have this screen protector already installed on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it took me about 15 seconds to get a perfect installation. It was absolutely amazing. I love this screen protector. It doesn't distort the color, screen looks good, fingerprint sensor works good, which obviously won't apply to an iPhone, but overall, it's just a great screen protector on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we're going to go ahead and install one here on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to take that one off. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the phone here. Make sure we're all the way down on all sides. Just going to get this box out of the way. They do give you a cleaning kit if you need to clean your device beforehand, but my device is already cleaned and ready to go. So we don't have any issues there. Let me just get this situated here. There we go. So we're going to put this down on the phone, just like so. Make sure it's around on all sides. And we're going to give it a little pressure here in the middle. That's going to help us avoid bubbles. And we're going to give it a nice firm pull and let it go ahead and adhere. As you can see there, it is adhering to the screen. And once we remove this top shield, there we go. Nice bubble-free installation of the screen protector there. No issues. Very, very quick to install and dust-free. So great screen protectors. Like I said, I also have it on my Galaxy S25 Ultra right here, and it went onto that one perfectly as well. So I highly recommend these Smartdevil screen protectors if you want something easy to install. As you can see there, it took like 15 seconds and everything is working. Screen is nice and easy to read. Colors are bright and vibrant. All right, I'm adding this to the end of the video. This is actually a couple of days later, and I was going to publish the video and I realized that I didn't do my signature little scratch test here with my USB-C cable. So we've got the phone here. As you guys can see, still absolutely bubble free. Great installation, like I said. But I just want to do a little scratch test, simulate, some junk in your pocket, something like that. Just average everyday stuff. We have a metal ended USB-C cable here. It's kind of got rounded edges, so we'll just go along, give it a nice corner scratch there and just rub all over the screen. And let me turn off my always on display here. I think I have a quick toggle for that. Yep, there we go. We'll turn that off so you guys can see it easier. Absolutely no scratches. We'll get a little light in there. No scratches or anything like that. So nice hard screen protector, nice scratch-free, easy, bubble-free installation. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.